Good. First one we've seen.
Where's its head?
Oh, this
shit.
end.
Get it, sausage.
No, don't. You keep her away from it.
Oh shit, yeah, it's just like on TV.
Yep.
Oh, it's gonna get you.
No, he's way over there.
Sausage, it's gonna get you. Oh, look at its head. Oh, I have to get a bit closer.
Don't get too close.
Okay. Oh, sausage. Hey, good eye. Wow.
Thank you. It's mostly my ear.
Oh, that's ready.
Yeah.
Its neck.
Watch out. You can go pretty far, pretty fast.
A sausage will defend me.
It's not good.
I knows, look. That's only a baby. Poor little snake.
Aw.
Gonna take it home.
Kind of, but...
We'll take it to that store again.
Hey, watch out, babe. He's not happy with you.
Scared of me.
Aw.
I believe it will defend itself, but it is scared.
Yeah.
Sausage, don't step on it.
No, don't.
Oh, maybe it's good we didn't take that shortcut.
Yeah, maybe. Yeah, stay on the trails for a reason, huh?
Sausage, you're supposed to defend me.
Alright, bye, snake. Baby!
Sausage? That's not a good idea.
No.
It's waiting to strike on something.
Alright, let's get out of here.